तो व्यूअर्स कैसे हैं? आज हमारा टॉपिक है तो नाइट्रोजन साइकिल हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। नाइट्रोजन साइकिल इज़ द बायोकेमिकल साइकिल बाय विच नाइट्रोजन इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू मल्टीपल केमिकल फॉर्म एज इट सर्कुलेट अमंग एटमॉस्फेयर टर्शियल एंड मराइन इकोसिस्टम। ये हमारे पास नाइट्रोजन साइकिल की डेफिनेशन हो गई। ये नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है नाइट्रोजन साइकिल की डायग्राम। इसमें हमारे पास स्टेप्स हैं मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के। तो हम नाइट्रोजन से पहले नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन होगी, फिर नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया होगा। यहाँ पे हमारे पास NH4 आएगा, तो अमोनिया आएगा, नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया होगा। नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमारा पास नाइट्रिफिकेशन होगा, एसिमिलेशन होगा, डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन बैक्टीरिया होगा। फिर दोबारा से हमारे पास नाइट्रोजन आ जाएगी। ये एक प्रोसेस है, तो ये देख सकते हैं। इसके बाद हमारे पास है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन। Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for the production of amino acids. Proteins, nucleic acid, and stone fruit trees require an adequate annual supply for proper growth and productivity. Nitrogen is so vital because it is a major component of chlorophyll, the compound by which plants use sunlight energy to produce sugar from water and carbon dioxide. Different form of nitrogen. In the atmosphere, nitrogen exists as a gas. In soil, it exists as a nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide. When nitrogen is used as a fertilizer, can be found in other forms such as ammonia. Reservoir of nitrogen. The major reservoir of nitrogen is the atmosphere, where the nitrogen exists. Atmosphere contains 78.9% nitrogen by volume. Nitrogen is also stored in watershed, in soil, groundwater, ocean water, sediment and plant matter. अब हमारे पास साइकिल के ये पॉइंट्स आ गए जो हमने डायग्राम में शुरू शुरू में डिस्कस किए थे। तो फर्स्ट स्टेप है नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन। द कन्वर्जेशन ऑफ फ्री और गैसेज नाइट्रोजन इनटू नाइट्रेट कंपाउंड और अमोनिया इज कॉल्ड नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन। These are three principal way in which nitrogen fixation can occur: atmospheric fixation, biological fixation, industrial fixation. Atmospheric fixation सबसे पहले a natural phenomena where the energy of lightning break the nitrogen into nitrate or a nitric acid. These are dissolved in rain and carried to earth. Plant acquire these when they absorb water and other mineral through their roots. It has been estimated that about 10% of nitrate are added to soil in this manner. Biological fixation. The second method, which contribute 90% of fixed nitrogen to earth, is biological. It is accomplished by ether, free living bacteria in soil. Among the free living bacteria responsible for nitrogen fixation are Azobacter, Clostridium, Derixia, and so on. These bacteria take up nitrogen from atmosphere and form ammonia. Free living blue-green algae. In aquatic system, cyanobacteria like Nostric anebina are important nitrogen fixer. Symbiotic bacteria. Symbiotic bacteria fix far greater amount of atmospheric nitrogen than do an other organism. For example, Rhizobedium. Industrial fixation. Today, large quantity of fixed nitrogen are artificially added to agriculture soil in the form of fertilizer. The production of nitrogen fertilizer is achieved in large factories by combining nitrogen and hydrogen in the presence of heat about 600 Celsius and high pressure. The process has increased the fertility of soil but require all amount of energy. Assimilation. Plant can absorb nitrate or ammonia from the soil by their root hair. If nitrate is absorbed, it is first reduced to nitrate ion, then ammonium ion for incorporation into amino acid, nucleic acid and chlorophyll. The plant may be eaten by animals that turn use the amino acid from the plant protein in synthesizing their own protoplasm. Next, fourth step है nitrification. Most of ammonia is converted into nitrate compound by process is called nitrification. The nitrification is completed in two steps. First, the ammonia is converted into nitrate. The phase is completed by bacteria which collectively known as a nitrosifying bacteria. In the second phase, nitrate are converted into nitrate. Is called nitro. Second phase is completed by nitrifying bacteria. Some nitrate are reabsorbed by plant while other are carried in streams and river to the ocean where they become part of Dead Sea sediments. Denitrification. Denitrification is the reduction of nitrate back into nitrogen gas. completing the nitrogen cycle. The process is performed by bacterial species such as a Pseudomonas under aerobic condition. The use of nitrate as an electron acceptor in the place of oxygen during respiration.